inconsistently applied, it's unfair. You have said that appeals from DECRA and future fellowship applicants whose applications were ruled ineligible would be dealt with as soon as possible. When will the relevant committee meet to decide on those appeals, and when would you expect the outcomes to be known?
So, Senator, there is a period of 28 days from the announcement when people can appeal in. Then the Appeals Committee meets. The Appeal Committee has met. It's in the process of forwarding to me a minute with its recommendations. I will then look at those, and depending on the nature of those recommendations, we will determine the outcomes of those appeals, and also whether there needs to be a briefing of the Minister. And so I'm unable to tell you the timelines on those, but we will do it as quickly as we can.
Professor Thomas, of those 32 applications which were deemed ineligible, how many have appealed?
We have 17 appeals for future fellows and 11 for Discovery Early Career Researcher Awards.
So 22 of the 32, 28 of the 32.
Yes.
Senator Faruqi, Senator Faruqi, just keep in mind only a couple more minutes. Thank you.
Yeah, I just have 2 or 3 more questions. Chair, what specifically will you do if an appeal is successful and the proposal is in the fundable range?
Where an appeal is successful and someone is in the fundable range, then it would be a question of making a recommendation to the Minister, who is still the decision maker about whether grants are funded.
So you would recommend, obviously, the Minister for funding?
If something is successful and they're in the fundable range, yes.
Yeah. And just my last